Have you ever searched on Google and thought, man, I wish I could grab all the result, not just the first page? Well, today I am going to show you how to scrap multiple Google pages automatically so that you get hundreds of results in second without copy pasting like a robot. Think about it. Instead of wasting hours of time in clicking next page on Google, you just hit one button and boom, your AI agents pull all the data from the pages 1 to 10 or as far you want. That means more leads, more research power, and more time saved, all while Google does the heavy lifting for you. Stick around because you will see how you can do it your own and you will never look at the Google the same way again. Now I have built a simple workflow that will take your idea, that means on which topic you want the Google search, and we will use a HTTP request to get the result from Google, and we will just append those things in our Google sheet. So I have created a sheet. The name of the sheet is LinkedIn lead. You can name whatever you want. But today's video, we will be asking, say, job opportunities in AI automation. So let's quickly go through what we are trying to do within this video. So today we will be scrapping multiple Google pages with AI and n8n. Get hundreds of results in second, no copy paste. The problem. First, we need to understand the problem. Then we can make a solution on the problem. So the problem, Google shows you the result page by page. That means Google used a pagination concept. That means on a first page you only get 10 to 15 result on the based on your search. Manual copy paste, boring, slow, inefficient. Solution. Now AI and automation can scrapping multiple pages in one click. Fetch unlimited result within one workflow. So how it works? So how it works? Input a search query, n8n scrap the pages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 100 pages automatically. AI organize the data and put those data into Google Sheet. Now we will discuss about the use cases of this AI agent. So market research. So the organization who doing the market research by going on Google, typing the search keyword, typing their keyword and going page by page. That boring job, they don't need to do the boring job. You can use this thing for competitor analysis, lead generation, content idea, and keyword research. Benefits: save hours of manual work, unlock hidden result beyond page 1, automation run 24 into 7, accurate and organized output. Live example. In this video, we will check whether our AI agent can Google's result for the multiple pages and provide you the example. First, we will check our workflow is working or not. Then we will go through step by step how can you create this AI agent to scraping the data from Google. Execute workflow. Now it will asking me the job title, industry or location. Now you can, so I will put AI automation job. Industry, I will select IT industry, location USA. So now I will hit submit. Now you can see our AI agent is working to, so our AI agent finish the scrapping from the Google. Now we will go back to our Google Sheet to check whether we received any data or not. So you can see we have received 60 URL from, we have received 60 URL that are mentioned about the job opportunities in USA. So our automation is working fine. Now we will go through step by step how can you create this type of scrapping tool to generate the leads or generate any content ideas from the multiple website. So first we took a from submission node, that is the n8n form. So if you can type here n8n form, and it will show you the form option. So on this you need to select on the from submission event. So I will delete this thing. Now you will see this is our from submission. I have add the name, that is the job title. It is a text field and it is a required field, and the industry, that means in which industry you want to search. And we have also keep as text field, and it is a required field. And also we used a location filter, so your query will send to Google with a on the location basis. Now our next node is a pagination node. So we have kept a code node over here. So this is a code node where we put some code. That means you need to we need to scrap the data for the multiple pages. This is the simple JavaScript code that it is work like a pagination. So this is a start and limit 50 means it will capture 50 items, and batch size will be 10. The output will be there. So you can see the first it will start 0. After the iteration the start is 10, that is the batch size is increasing 10 by 10. That means we are getting 5 pages up to Google. So each time the start will be increasing by 10. You can add to get the out to scrap the Google data. Now we have used a loop over item. So what is this node will actually do? So loop over item means it will work in n8n like a loop. Those who are from the IT background, they will know what is loop. We have while loop, for each loop. So in these cases, we in n8n its name as loop over item. So I will take one by one data from the previous node, and it will pass one by one data to the next node. Added a HTTP node here. So what HTTP node will do? So it will work as a API. To some extent it will act as a API. So with the HTTP node we will send the request to the Google, and after that once Google give me the result, it will pass those things and it will pass those result to the next node. So let's check. So now we will check what HTTP request does. So now you can see we have used Google API's custom search module. So you need to grab those key from your Google console. If you can see, it will just send the request as a queue. The from submission job title is this, and the industry is this, and the submission is this, and we will pass a dynamic start. That means it will like after the first iteration the start will be 10, 20, 10. After the second iteration it will be 20. You will increase like this. So it will act as a pagination, and it will go to Google and scrap all the data on behalf of you. Another code node to just grab the website URL from the request. You can see we have received multiple items in our JSON response. So that is one is URL, queries, context, search items, but we will be focusing on the item. So we have this is a simple JavaScript. We have kept one array over here. So we will add those things into our array. After that it will send those array to the Google Sheet. So our next node is the Google Sheet node. So we have added. For this you need to create your Google. For this you need to enable your Google Sheet API for saving those data, or to save the data in the Google Sheet. Operation will be append row. That means it will append uh, each URL into your Google Sheet. And now you can see we have just passed the code, the URL into our URL field, that is the our URL column. So it will save all our data in one click. If you use or if you build this type of AI automation workflow, then your hundreds hours of time will be saved by just research and searching. Stop wasting the time on page one. Let's AI fetch the rest of the information from Google on behalf of you. Subscribe, like, and try to build your own workflow today. So that's it from today's video. If you need any other information regarding this video, please comment me on the comment section. I will definitely get back to you. So thank you for the day. Have a nice day. Bye bye.